4 days ago, I tweeted to Samsung Mobile US, Samsung Indonesia, and I tweeted, it's now clear and obvious that Samsung needs to remove the geo-lock restriction on Good Lock and embrace it for the worldwide users. Also, improve Good Lock adaptation for One UI Core devices. And I do believe, guys, of course that's a pure coincidence, but I do believe that we are almost there. So Good Lock now is gonna be rolled out and hopefully very soon widely adopted on a global level. Fantastic news, guys. Welcome back, YouTube. VST here, NSP Tech. Breaking news, guys. I did today a video playing around with an iOS Launcher 16, and I was just looking at the comments trying to reply to some of you. One comment drew my attention. That was the comment from Cuba City, Cool Launcher, etc. By the way, did you hear that Good Lock is expanded to many new regions? Just officially installed Good Lock in Poland. So congratulations. And by the way, guys, I have here Samsung A52, I believe. This one doesn't really have officially Good Lock. So what I'm gonna try to do right now is just go and check if I'm able to install Good Lock, if I'm able to find Good Lock here, if I'm able to find Good Lock here under my Galaxy Store. This would mean one thing and one thing only. So let's check together. All right, here is my Samsung A52 and I'm going to straight away search for Good Lock. Now just have in mind, this phone doesn't have officially Good Lock. Yes, still not the case, guys. Good Lock is still not available here. So, but the modules are available. This is really weird. Let's see what happens if I try to install some of the modules, because how can I access them without having a manager? But the sound assisting is there, the one-hand operation, the nice sketch is there. So it seems that more and more things, more and more modules are coming in the play. So that's really good news. Just some days ago, I tweeted Samsung, hey guys, you need to make sure that Good Lock is widely globally adopted and also do some improvements for Good Lock on One UI Core. And yeah, it seems that I'm somehow able to install the modules. No, not the manager themselves. This is really weird, but I guess that very soon Good Lock is going to be available, guys. So Good Lock Manager, let me just try to type it there. So Good Lock Manager still not available here for me. There is something that is not the official manager, but I expect that very soon this is going to be a reality. So this here is fantastic news. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.